Well, hello to the H&B Forces and all of you golf travelers tuning in out there. Today I'm going to cover one of the most common questions that we receive in advance of an H&B expedition. How do I pack my golf travel bag? Before we talk about how to pack the bag though, I think it's first important to spend a minute talking a little about what to pack in the bag, beginning with the bag itself. If you plan on utilizing a caddies during your trip, remember the old adage that the player with the lightest bag gets the best caddy. Leave the staff bag at home. I use this one by Jones Golf Bags, but really any kind of carry bag will do. Your caddy will appreciate you, and it'll save you a little weight when checking the bag with the airline as well. So in terms of other things to pack, you'll want to make sure you have a set of rain gloves. These things are absolutely worthless to you if it's dry, but they are indispensable if it happens to rain. I'm still not entirely sure how they work, but you'll want to make sure you've got a set. Of course, in addition to rain gloves, you'll need the rest of your rain gear as well. Naturally, we're going to hope that you never have to take it out of the bag, but a good set is priceless if you happen to catch a rainy spell. If you don't have a set, Galvin Green makes a great product. Same goes for Zero Restriction, which for the H&B Forces is available in the Quartermaster store on the Members Clubhouse. Or talk to your PGA professional. They're going to have a wide range of options available and can make a suggestion for you as well. Your golf shoes are another obvious thing to pack, but what might not be so obvious is the suggestion to take 2 pairs. If you happen to catch an incredibly rainy day on the course, there is nothing worse than having to put wet shoes back on the next day. So pack a backup pair and hope that you never need them. You'll also want to make sure you pack golf balls. Take them with you. They're far more expensive across the pond and the exchange rate hurts you as well. Now, as for the travel bag itself, we recommend the Last Bag by Club Glove. It happens to come in 3 sizes. Mine is the medium of the 3, so if you need something a little larger, it is available. This one's a few years old and has done great on many trips across the pond. One nice feature as well as the Last Bag now comes with an extension rod, which helps to protect the club heads during transit. So in terms of packing, first thing you'll want to do is to protect the club heads. Some people will use bubble wrap for this, but I just take my rain gear and wrap it around the club heads. I then take this nylon shoe bag that I picked up somewhere along the way and put that over the entire set. That provides some nice padding up at the top of the bag. Then I just wrap a towel around the center of the bag, and that's it. And as you can see, there's still plenty of room in the travel bag. I typically stash my dirty clothes in the travel bag by the end of the trip, which makes room in my suitcase for all the souvenirs and shirts and so forth that I pick up along the way. Now, one last topic to cover is the actual transit of the clubs. I usually ship my clubs ahead, at least on the trip over. I like the peace of mind of knowing that they're waiting at my first destination for me. But if you are going to take them on the airline, you'll just want to double check with your carrier as far as their weight restrictions, and then of course check the weight of your bag. It'll save you some potentially costly pounds at the ticket counter on your departure day. And that's it. You're ready to go. I hope you found this little video helpful, but most importantly, I hope you find plenty of fairways, greens, and memories on your upcoming trip.